Dear Dinka learners, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn new things. We change the word from English to Dinka. Here is the table that I have made for you guys to make it easy. So let us begin. We don't need to waste time here in Dinka learning channel. Our aim is to learn Dinka. Number one, come. Come. In Dinka, bar. Come here. Barten. Where do you come from? In Bo Tano. I come from Canada and Bo Panchol, Canada. Speak slowly. Jam amat. Thank you very much. Yinchallenge apaidit. That is very good or nice. Ekpat apaidit. Wait a moment. Tit amat. Why? Yengo. Ngadia. When? Nen. What will you drink? Yengo badik. I will drink water. And bidek if you. I love you so much. Yinyar apaidit. God will bless you. Nyalik abidoj. Let me make a quick recap to repeat it again. Come in Dinka, bar. Come here in Dinka, barten. Where do you come from? In Botano. I come from Canada. This is the reply of where do you come from. Then in Dinka, and Bopanchol, Canada. Or you can say and Bopanchol, America. Or and Bopanchol, Junub, Sudan. Or and Bopanchol, Awil. Speak slowly. Jam amat. Thank you very much. Inshallah apaidit. That is very good or that is very nice. Ekpat apaidit. Wait a moment. Tit amat mean wait a moment, wait a minute, wait for a short time. That is mean tit amat. Amat means slowly or a minute, a moment. Why? Yengo, why? Why do you come? Yengo being. Ngadia. We know that refer to the person. When? Nen. When did you come? Yenen being. You see, nen. What will you drink? Yengo badik. What will you drink? Drink mean dik. I will drink water. And a bidik pew. And bidik pew mean water. Pew, water. I love you so much. Yinyar apaidit. God will bless you. Nyalish abidoj. Nyalish mean God. Abidoj mean will bless you. I am William Majak. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks you so much. Okay, this is the end of our video. Please, if you like to learn Dinka language, subscribe, like our video, share our video to other social media like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp, so that other people can get it and learn with you. also. Thank you very much and nyali ka week kuyane. Bye bye. Huga baban yok daman det baban. Nyali ka week.